Hello friends, welcome back to CAD-CAM. Today we are going to make pipe with flange in SolidWorks. This is only a practice drawing, so let's start to make. So we will start with front plane, sketch. So first select the line, draw one line here. Okay. Now the dimension, the length will keep 150 mm. This side also 150 mm. The radius will keep 260 degree. Okay. Now select this line, press Ctrl and select this line, make tangent. This side also select this line, press Ctrl and select this line. Select this line and select this line, make tangent. Okay. Now select here, shift to boss base. So select a circular profile and select this line. The dia will keep 290 mm. Okay. So select a thin feature. Your direction 40 mm. Okay. So now we'll make flange side. So select this face, sketch and make it normal. Select the inner circle and select a convertibility. Okay. Now select the circle and draw one circle here. So this circle dia will keep 500 mm. Okay. Now select here, extrude boss base and select this outer circle. Uncheck this inner circle and here 50 mm. Okay. This side also sketch and normal. Convertibility. Okay. Now select the circle here also. Draw one circle. This side also dia will keep 500 mm. Okay. And extrude boss base 50 mm. Okay. Now we'll cut hole here. So sketch normal and draw one circle here like this for construction. And this circle dia will keep 400 mm. Okay. Now select circle, draw the circle here. So this circle dia will keep 50 mm. Okay. So now select here circular pattern. So parameter, select the circle. Number of circle will keep 4. Equal spacing. Okay. Now here extrude cut and throw all 50 mm. Yeah, 50 mm. Okay. So it's okay. This side also sketch and normal. For construction. Okay. So this dia also will keep 400 mm. Okay. Okay. Select a circle, draw one circle with 50 mm dia. Okay. Now here again select the circular pattern. Parameter, select the circle and reference will select this outer circle. Okay. And extrude cut. 50. Okay. So now just select here fillet and select this outer circle, this side also, this inner also, this one also, this one also, and this one also. Okay. So our flange with pipe is ready. Let's define the material. So we'll select here metal, polished steel. So our pipe with flange is ready. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel for more video. Thanks for watching.